I don't really know if you've been through technical difficulties when it comes to your trading. This is the type of stuff we don't really plan for. Sometimes the days start in a different way that you will expect, and this morning was that type of day for me. The computer was acting slow. I told you guys yesterday on the live stream because I haven't restarted the computer in a couple of days. Just tapping that button, goes to sleep, comes right back up the other day, or when I turn it off, it's acting slow. This morning I decided half an hour before the trading session that I needed to make an update because I remember, it's been acting badly. So mind you, my computers are custom built exactly to avoid this kind of stuff, but this is the type of stuff that you don't plan for. And coming in today, it needed to be updated, and also it needed to restart. All of that took a long time, and then coming up into the market, I finally started to live stream like 2 minutes prior to 9:30, so right before the market opened. I had no watch list. I had nothing that I wasn't planning for, none of this type of stuff. It was pretty difficult, but OPGN, at least I relied on the scanner this morning, and I took 2 trades on OPGN. Then it got halted, and I got so lucky that I was out of there because it was kind of like insane. OPGN coming down, based my trade on a 15-minute time frame bear flag, using an entry on the 5-minute time frame under a shooting star formation on the 5, using a hanging man for an entry on the 5. I want to show you here. This is going to be a really quick video. It worked out okay for me. This is the only stock that I traded today. Ended my day okay, but I had a lot of problems in the morning before coming into the market. So I want to share that with you, and I'll let you guys go for now. I'll see you back here now. Market been kind of slow today, as yesterday was pretty much just all the same thing. I wanted to bring you a small video here today in regards to my only stock that I traded today, OPGN. This one, as you can see, just keeps dropping. It was holding a couple of times throughout the day. I based a trade that I had a lot of difficulties, as I already told you, but this morning I relied pretty much on the scanners to take this trade, and I was looking for an entry based on the 15-minute time frame. Though, going right back here, if you look at, for example, this formation here, using a bear flag formation on the 15-minute time frame, on these 2 candles coming down the pre-market hours here, getting these 2 candles right here, I was looking for an entry for the downside. I noticed that we were printing this bear flag formation when this candle right out of the open was coming down. So I based my trade here off of this low, this candle here at $5.25, coming down in the first candle, using this hanging man for an entry. You can see the low of this one was 520. So at the breakdown of that candle, the shooting star formation of the 5, you look at right here, this candle's right here right out of the open, and then we have a hanging man. If you look at the top chart right there, the 1-minute time frame, you're going to notice a doji and a couple of indecision candles, including a shooting star in the 1 minute. I had a breakdown, and this flush here, I took a first trade coming down with a little over $700 gain, coming down on the first flush here in the 1-minute time frame. Then we started to print this pennant flag formation on the 1, and I figured that we're gonna have a follow through. And I was just telling you guys in the live stream, I was looking for an entry under the second green candle on the 1 minute, which is this one here. And if you look at that, again, going back, it's 465 low. And this one here, this doji broke it, and also this one here, we had another 465. We went all the way down to the low of this candle here of $4.12. 25 cents. Today I closed my day a little over 1,300 bucks, which is a decent day on OPGN. This one got halted right away in this bounce here. If you look at right here, when it was actually about to test the 50 simple moving average in a 1 minute time frame, this thing got halted, and then it reopened, resumed right here under the VWAP, started to flush down, but it had a dragonfly doji here, and it popped up, and that's popped right here, got halted once again, then another resuming again higher. But then for the rest of the day, if you look at right here, it's just been downtrending on this follow up flush here, hold it again, then dropping again, and as of right now it just keeps on dropping. For me, it was a simple day. I had a lot of technical difficulties, as I already told you guys, and I had to rely on the scanner. And the scanner right here on OPGN, this thing popped, gave me the stocks that were dropping this morning, and this is where I actually found this thing. Snap is the one that's actually dropping quickly as of right now. And also I was watching Twitter like a minute or so ago. You can see Snap with a little bit of consolidation here, breaking this flag. If you look at the Paul and the consolidation for the flag here, and now resuming to the downtrend, downside here again. I was looking at Twitter too like a minute ago, because it was printing a bear flag formation around this candle. You can see a little indecision candle right here hovering around the 50 simple moving average on the 5 minute time frame, dropping quick here. Again, simple day for me, not a lot to see. There's really not a lot of momentum, not a lot of follow through. At least I was able to do that even when I thought that this morning was really going to be a crappy day for me. I took those trades and I ran away with it, and those were the very clear entries for me, great opportunities that they gave me, and I didn't really want to overstate my welcome in the market. So I decided I was just going to take a step back and come back tomorrow, because today is being a little bit of a headache. If you looked at the video prior to this one on the entry of the video, the intro, you're gonna notice that there was a cup on my desk because I was drinking that coffee, and that was the second cup of coffee my wife got back home from vacation last night. We went to sleep, everybody at home went to sleep really late last night. The kids were really excited that she was back. I didn't sleep too well last night because I woke up a couple of times during the night, and I had a massive headache this morning. There was no pills in the house, nothing to drink. There's a reason why I had to drink the second coffee. See, the caffeine was gonna help me out. But this is the type of stuff that you have to, you will see coming into the market. You don't plan for this type of stuff, but this type of stuff will happen to you. So coming into the day with massive headache, and then all of this type of stuff that happened to me prior to being live in the market, doing the live stream and being able to actually get ready for the trading session, it was just massive problems for me this morning, but at least everything worked out okay. Look at Snapshot drop in there. Again, I relied a lot on the scanners to find stocks that are actually moving. Like as you can see here, it's actually giving me the exact thing that I want to see. This thing is the fastest dropper right now. If you see fast drops right here on the title, this is exactly what I look for on stocks that give me what I want to see. For example, above this 50 simple moving average, high price movers, and between $2 and $20 moving. As of right now, not giving me anything. And another one, ARVN, TRE, moving quick here, and fast drop here on this inverted hammer here. And as you can see, a couple of the stocks, I scanned through all of this thing here, but Snap is the best one as of right now. Great drop. The scanners are actually working out very well, and I relied on them this morning, and it worked out very well. I just wanted to bring you this thing, hoping that you will enjoy this video, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day.